people that watch my channel. It's been a good, I want to say 7 months. Very sorry for not posting. Just had college. If I'm being honest, didn't really feel like filming anything. I mean, that's all I can say. Not gonna make any excuses, just saying. Today I wanted to try this interesting look I saw on this Instagram page. The Instagram page is called like a French touch of makeup. Let me show you. Do you see that? Ooh, it's so blue, so cool. Should I do freckles? Check out that page. It's called French touch of makeup. I'll try put it in somewhere if I can do that, because I'm not editing on Movie Maker anymore. I now have a real laptop. I got a MacBook, but I only have iMovie, so we'll see what we can do. As of this moment, I honestly don't know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna start off with the base. I already moisturized. Oh, and do you like my blue earrings? Hopefully they match the eyeliner. Now usually I don't really wear like a base, but because I'm going to be doing something more strong, I kind of want to. So I have this BB cream from, it's either Lidl or Aldi, and hopefully it looks good. Oh, I took out a lot. I need a mirror. Wow, it's really thick. Like really thick. It smells like a really thick moisturizer. If you see any weird shadows on my face, I'm sorry. It's very sunny outside, and we're just gonna try to blend it out with a sponge. And yeah, about my channel, guys, I guess I don't really want to do just some basic, yeah, I know I'm doing a makeup tutorial, but it feels kind of empty to me to just do these basic, like, ooh, my everyday makeup routine. Like, I do find that interesting, but I also want to do a lot more, and I guess for ages I didn't really know what, and I didn't really have the courage. I thought people would judge me. Like, I kind of don't want to do the freckles because I feel like people will judge me, but maybe that's reason to them. And since I said it on camera, I'm not gonna cut it out. So we're gonna just put on some L'Oreal True Match in the shade 2R Vanilla Rose. Okay, that BB cream is extremely patchy. God damn it. Now we're going to put on some concealer. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 05. Now when I do my concealer, I like to not go extremely under my eye. I like to blend it out, like leaving some color, like my natural eye color under the eye, because I kind of like that shadowy look. Then we are going to set our face with some from London Stay Matte in shade 3 Peach Glow. I'm going to use this brush instead. It's just a random brush I got off eBay years ago. I'm going to set the rest of my face with the same powder, just with a bigger, fluffier brush, so I don't get as much product on. What we do next is, I guess we're gonna move on to the eyes and see what happens. I'm gonna be using the Brit Bees lip balm. This is the best. Okay, we're gonna be using the Scandalized by Rimmel London. It's this beautiful blue color. Ooh, that is so beautiful. This is the brush. It's very small. Let me just look at the picture. I'm gonna pick some up. Just pack it onto the brush. pretty good, I think. So I'll go and do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, hi, I'm back. These are my eyes. Okay, now that that is done, I'm gonna put the same color in my waterline. Hers is a lot thicker, as you can see. But I don't know, this is pretty thick for me, you know? So I think we might do brows next. So I'm just using the brown mascara from Natural Collection. It's waterproof, meaning that it doesn't really come off. So I kind of just use it as brow gel. If you'd like to see an eyebrow routine, because I know I struggle, I can do one. Okay, so I use this little Catrice brow definer. It's quite long lasting, and I use it in number 30 chocolate brown. Now this I know is a dupe for the new MAC little felt tip eyebrow pencil. So if you're looking for a cheap one, check this out. I'd love to try the MAC one, I just, you know, can't afford it. Just saying. Okay, so I'm mainly gonna do the ends and then whatever. Now I'm gonna do my mascara. And what I'm gonna do is curl these bad boys. Just curl them real hard. It just stuck to, look what happened. Oh, god damn it. Okay, I'm definitely gonna need a baby wipe. Okay, so I cleaned that up slightly. And we're gonna apply some mascara primer. And it's the one by Maybelline. I'm pretty sure that's the only one they have. So I'm just gonna... And I'm just gonna do that on the other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're gonna put on the mascara after this dries, but now we're gonna contour. Sun Shimmer Bronzer by Rimmel in Light Matte. I'm just gonna take the Real Techniques contouring brush and go into the hollows. I kind of bronze with this too, but I like to go in first with a contour, and I'm gonna fix up the color back up here after I put on my mascara and stuff. I'm gonna use a bigger brush to kind of use it as bronzer. I go in with a more warm bronzer and kind of really lightly go over the places that already bronze. So another thing, we're going to put on a little bit of blush. This is from Primark. It's called Sunset Strip. Just going to use the same brush. I'm going to put on a tiny bit of blush. Almost non-visible. I'm going to use this little eyeshadow fluffy brush and we're going to go in to this PS Love from Primark again. This is way too dark for me. Anyway, these colors are beautiful. So I'm going to take this and we're going to contour. I'm picking up these two. Okay, so now we're going to put on some mascara, and what I'm using is Hot Gal Bang by Benefit. At first I didn't really like it, but then, I mean, now I really like it. Ooh, much better. We're going to put on some lipstick. I'm going to go in with this Peachy Nude by Essence, actually, and these are the matte lip. They're like the kind of crayon sticks, like lipsticks, and I'm just going to put that on. Now what I like to do with this one is I like to blot off the top layer, which I'm going to do with my t-shirt. I'm just going to reapply some of that on near my eyelid. So one last thing, should we do or should we not do the Freckles? I also have this little nail detail brush, but I feel like that might make it look like I have a really bad pores. Let's try it. Now what I'm going to try and do is take my beauty blender and just take some powder and try to go over it. Honestly, I don't know if I look silly. What I'm gonna do now is take some setting spray and here is the finished look. Here are kind of my freckles. I'll show you in the sun. Here I am in natural lighting. Still here are my freckles that you can't see. I think this look is cool, and yeah, here are my freckles and my finished look, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you like the video, which is the same thing. Click the thumbs up, I don't know, subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more now, I promise. I look about 10 years old, honestly. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time.